Hello, if you just bought a new washing machine and have been wondering how to load it or how to use it to wash your clothes, then this video will be of help to you because I'm going to show you how to power it on and how to load your laundry in the machine and um, how to use the machine. So first of all, you get to load your clothes, the dirty laundry, put them in this compartment here. I'd prefer that you sort your clothes so that white clothes are washed separately from the coloreds. Again, you can't mix white clothes with color fast clothes because otherwise at the end of the washing you'll find your clothes discolored, so we don't want that to happen. So I already loaded mine with clothes, dirty clothes, so I'll just close it. Then make sure you have some soap. It could either be in form of powder, or liquid. Mine is in powder form. So this is the compartment where we put the soap. Then you could add in some fabric softener. Yes. So this is where you add this fabric softener. Yes, like that. That will be enough for today. And make sure that this laundry soap that you're using is meant for machine wash. So when you're doing your purchase for the soap, yes, how do you tell? Like for this one, this is Persil. They have the oh god. There's this photo of the washing machine. Oh my god. To show that it's meant for the machine. Or alternatively, if you are to get another brand, like this one is Ariel, but it's written automatic for the automatic machine. And in fact, they have the drawings of the washing machine on them. And it has some indication that it's meant for the machine. Yeah. I'm saying that because we have laundry soaps for washing machines and laundry soaps for hand wash. So you have to distinguish the two. Hand wash and automatic use are different, okay? Then next, I close that compartment. Then I switch on the machine, the sockets. Yes, I power it on. And I'm supposed to turn it on with the power button and select. For me, I'd like to do mix washing, so I'll select the mix function. So see the indicator. Yes, good. Then after that, I come and press here the play function. Yes, then you leave it to wash until it's ready for airing. The clothes will be ready for airing. See, it has begun spinning. So since this is an automatic, a fully automated washing machine, I'll leave it to do everything by itself. So once it's done washing, it will ring an alarm just to notify me that my laundry is ready, clean and ready. Okay. So I think that's all for today.